fashion felines. Join spa living and style expert Candy Holladay as she trips through her days while trying to flourish, look fab and have a blast, even when life gets in her way. Let's make every day feel like a holiday.
Hello?
Good morning, it's Candy. I'm here with your spa wake-up call. That's right, it's another episode of Spa Mornings, where we're waking you up with spa and fashion ideas for an energizing morning so you can seize the day. And today, I'm transporting you to a luxurious spa with a DIY therapy that will clear brain fog and silkify your skin, all inspired by a real spa therapy done at spas and resorts all around the world. But first, I want to welcome all y'all new listeners and hello to all of y'all that have been here before. And if you get a chance, check out lifesaholladay.com for the show notes. This week I'm going to be putting up some bonus ideas for the spa treatment, step-by-step guides, and links and photos of some of the spas that inspired this episode. It'll be like your own virtual little spa vacay. But anyway, I don't know if y'all recall, but we are in Chattanooga, Tennessee, restoring my parents' house and getting it ready to put on the market. And last night we started restoring the deck, which is just like splintering and falling apart. It's really sad looking, and it's such a shame because the house backs up to these beautiful woods, and it's just a lovely retreat out there. It'd be perfect for like doing morning yoga or even some spa treatments or hanging out with your laptop. It's just a really, it's probably one of the best spots in the house, to be honest with you. So it's got to be, tip-top shape. And there is just so much to do out there. And then also, I've been thinking a whole ton about like French morning habits. And it's kind of crazy because what I've discovered is that it's almost like French women wake up early to do nothing. I mean, really, seriously, leisure, having that leisure time in the morning is something that motivates them to get out of bed. So they're not like waking up and being like, oh my gosh, I've got to do this, I got to do that. They get up in the morning and they just luxuriate in the actual morning and having their breakfast and going and getting their baguette. And if you think about it, that really makes sense because having that leisure time to sit and just kind of think and contemplate your day, that really empowers you and enables you to kind of face the day like, hey, I am already accomplished something. I am already at peace. I'm already happy. So bring it on. And I don't know if it's breathing in all the sawdust from the deck work, but did y'all ever notice that you never, ever hear about French women doing DIY projects or doing like home improvement projects? Just a thought, like, maybe they have something there. But regardless of home improvement projects or not, we're going to get our je ne sais quoi on this morning with a leisurely spa treatment. And it's taken from the menus of spas that have special morning services designed to help you get going and, just like what we're doing here in the mornings, getting ready for the day and facing it the best, most energetic way that we can. And one of the services that seems to be on just a ton of these morning spa menus is a body wrap. And body wraps, they kind of have a bad rap. Oh, it was so bad. But anyway, body wraps, you think of that as a really super long treatment, right? Because you're going to have to wrap up your entire body. Well, I've come up with a DIY abbreviated version that I really love doing, especially on mornings when I wake up and I'm feeling like, well, let me tell you a story. I have this dream. It's a recurring dream where I am literally in a gigantic hot fudge cake. I don't know if you have Frisch's where you are, but they have these. It's something that I just every once in a while I'll crave. They're like a layer cake with hot fudge cake and ice cream in the center. And it has whipped cream all over the top with a cherry on top. And they are so good. You especially have to get the extra hot fudge. But some mornings I wake up and I've had that dream where I'm like sitting in this giant hot fudge cake, just like shoveling and cramming all this incredible cake and ice cream into my mouth. I wake up the next morning and I feel like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. It is like, blah, like I can just literally feel, just feel all puffy. And usually I have that dream after I've had like something really rich before bed, like pizza or something super salty. And this wrap really helps to get rid of some of that puffiness. And not only that, it makes your skin just like super velvety and soft. So it's really awesome for all those spring outfits and dresses we've got coming up. And I've even added another benefit to this wrap by kind of copying, if you will, from the Spring Spa and Resort in Desert Springs, California. They have a Morning Glory spa treatment, and their wrap uses sandalwood. And sandalwood is super great for improving clarity in the morning and just kind of getting rid of that brain fog. So all you need are 2 ace bandages, or you can use, they have special spa wrap that looks like a white gauzy fabric wrap that will hold up longer than an ace bandage, but I would recommend just starting out with the ace bandages and see how you like this and then upgrading. And then you need a clay lotion or a clay body or face mask. And if you can, find one that has sandalwood in it. If you can't, then just buy some sandalwood essential oil. I add about maybe 6 drops to enough lotion or a face mask to cover whatever, there's my upper arms or my upper thighs. And the clay is really important because that helps really draw out those toxins and kind of tighten up whatever area that you're working on that day. And you might want to check out, I have this Amazon idea list with some different lotions and face masks. There's a few, I think, that combine definitely the sandalwood and the clay that you can use. But anyway, just that'll be over in the show notes. And then there is an option where you can either use a heated spa blanket or those heated spa wraps. I don't know if you've seen those with they have usually rice or lavender in them, and you can heat them in the microwave. And I'll tell you more about that little upgrade in a second. But from there, all that you do is you just pick whatever area you want to do. I always tend to do my wrap after body brushing because you've got your, circulation going and you haven't had your breakfast yet because you for sure want to do this before you eat. And I just mix up my essential oil into my lotion or face mask and cover the area. And then I follow whatever the directions are on whatever wrap I'm using, whether it's an ace bandage or one of the spa wraps. Usually what I do is I don't sit around with it. Because that's the beauty about just doing a certain area of your body, just picking either your upper thighs or your upper arms, is you can actually still do things. And maybe that might not be the leisure idea that the French women have, but it's something that's just extra special that you're doing for yourself. And to me, that in itself is leisurely. I like to do my makeup or do my hair while I've got that on. Sometimes I'll stick my breakfast in the microwave. But if I'm feeling particularly indulgent and super duper French, I suppose, some mornings I will use my heated spa blanket. Can I tell you, it is the most luxurious thing ever to use that and just sit, just kind of think about what a beautiful day it is and what I'm grateful for. It's just a wonderful, wonderful, luxurious spa way to start the morning. One quick thing, if you do decide to sit down and relax with your body wrap, be sure to wrap either a towel around you or take some plastic wrap and put that around the ace bandages just loosely to keep that face mask and the lotion inside on your skin where they belong, doing their job, and not all over your clothes and furniture, which is just not a pretty sight first thing in the morning, trust me. And then I just wash off the lotion or the mud, and that's it. And I would like to really emphasize that this is one of these things that I like to rotate in and out of my morning routine. It's not something that I do every single day. It's just one of this kind of my own little spa menu that I have these extra special things that I'll do every so often. So then, I don't get bored with it. But thanks for hanging out with me today, and I hope you had a really fun time. I'll see you in the morning. Bye.
Don't forget, you can shop the show and get the 411 on this episode at lifesaholladay.com. That's HOLLADAY.com. Meet Candy on Candy Holladay YouTube channel for more adventures. See you next holiday.